All right, I have been excited about showing off this one. This is a 1965. No, this is a 1962 SM5. And it is so pretty. This is the original color. It has this yellow tint to it that I don't know if that was the original color. Like here, it's much more yellow down here than it is up here. Up here is a creamish color. The SM5, this particular SM5, it was only done in the one style with this cream look with the turquoise keys. But I'm wondering if the sun has somewhat yellowed, because right in here it's turning this yellow, the vintage yellowing, and it's so pretty. I absolutely love it, and it types wonderful. This one's in immaculate condition, and so I can't wait to show it off to you. So first of all, let's take a look around the SM5. So the SM5 does not have a tabulator. It still has the manual tabs in the back. So I'm going to show that to you. And if you've never had an Olympia, this would be a good first one. All of them are good ones to have. But anyway, here's your tabs, and there's very easy to drag and slide. Most typewriters, there's a little oomph to go in there, but it's very easy. And then here's your margins right above that on the slider. Everything just works so well. And let me move this back. Probably some of the best made machines would be the Olympias that I've come across. There's a lot of really high-end ones that I haven't done, but okay, so there's your paper holder, carriage release, and oh, the carriage is locked. So this is your carriage lock, and so I got to put that down. You saw that pop. So the carriage is now released. You can hear the bell. Paper release. And this determines if you advance 1, 2, or 3 lines. Okay, and let's go ahead and open up the top. It's so clean. I mean, it looks brand new. It's gorgeous. Okay, we put in a universal ribbon for you, which is a 2-inch spool, and it just sits in there. It does have a spring-loaded arm to kind of, I don't know, hold it in there. That goes through the double barrel guides through here and then back through. And then these double barrels, this is your ribbon reversal. So when your ribbon gets to the end, you reverse the direction. It goes back, so you use it back and forth. And when you do try it, replace it, put the black on the top and red on the bottom. The ink will last you a long time. So even if your typewriter's been sitting for a while, the ink will be just fine. We do occasionally get people tell us that ink is dried out. Unless your ribbon's like 20 years old, that's probably not going to be the case. Sometimes you're just at the end of the ribbon spool, and the ribbon needs to be reversed. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, and tab, and I already showed you where the tab sets are. Margin release, so when you get to the end of your margin, let's see where I have I probably should set my margins. There we go. Okay, my margin is set. Margin release. I can keep going. Hit the return handle. Oh, that is so smooth. I'll be honest with you guys, because you guys listen to me. I'm really struggling with listing this one. I actually really want this one. I have an electric, my Smith Corona electric, 1948, and I love it. But I want a manual. And this one is calling my name, but as it always is, every time we get one and I want to keep one, it ends up, we feel like we have to sell it because, we're in business. Anyway, so whoever gets this, just know you're going to get a piece of my heart because I really like this one. All right, 1962 Olympia SM5. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, let's keep typing. So if you notice, it didn't have a number 1, so you have to use the lowercase l. And I forgot to put the color on black. So the color selector is down here. I'm going to lift it up to the black selection. Probably should use tabs instead of the space bar. Oh, by the way, this is your backspace. So if you're used to typewriters, the margin release and the backspace are switched. Okay, let's keep going. All right, let's tab over. Oh, that works. The more I type on this, the more I want to keep it. So if you guys don't see it on the website, you will know I bought myself an early Christmas present. Oops, backspace. When you make a mistake, you just type over it, baby. Quick. Oh, this machine is just perfect. What can I say? It's perfect. Okay. Oh, I just can't say enough good things about this. One of the best typewriters I've ever typed on. Huge A++++ on it. Gosh, you could get the 6-month warranty on this. We love it when you guys get that, but honestly, you're probably not going to ever use it. So save on the 6-month warranty. Just buy the typewriter. I'm going to cry when it sells, but this is gorgeous. You love it. It should go fast. This is going to be worth every penny. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.